Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. It's a white noise machine.
A white noise machine for sleeping. Create different sounds to help you sleep. Go ahead and unbox that, Annalisa.
Do you plug it in or does it need battery?
It's got a self timer if you want it to shut off. It's got different noises made by Roffie. Set it down so we can take a look at it. Nice. Alright. You get a power cord in there?
Yeah. We don't have a box.
So it comes with the USB cable, but there's no outlet. I think I see one down there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
There
okay,
you
good.
Go. Alright, let's take a quick glance of the directions. We will plug it in and demonstrate it. Okay, we plugged in the Roffie white noise machine. It's got a speaker up top. Right here in the middle you get a power button. You get volume control, minus, plus. That'll loop. Timer. This will give you the different sounds. Looks like you got 6 different sounds. We'll go ahead and power it on. And the first one is like just white noise. White noise will help you sleep. It's like having a fan blowing. The second one down is a different sounding white noise, almost like an ocean surf. Sounds like a rainforest. Got different animals and insects. And like a babbling creek. Go down one more. And here we have an ocean surf. If you like the sound of ocean waves crashing against the beach, if that helps you sleep, that's good to play. And don't forget, you can control the volume. Go down one more. And I think this one's supposed to simulate rainfall, like a nice steady rain. Some people sleep better when it's raining out. And the bottom one is a heartbeat. Now a pet might like that. Or maybe even a baby, I don't know. But yeah, that's a heartbeat. So, there you have it. The Roffie white noise machine.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching. We'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase this on Amazon.